Hola, buen día. Bueno, les voy a presentar los avances de ArchNat, el proyecto de AtManox. Hoy es 16 de noviembre de 2023 y este es el Issue08, ArchlabsArchive 08. Así que bueno, bien como ya estuvimos viendo en estos avances, estuvimos trabajando un poco en cuestiones como research y algunos initial sketches en los cuales vemos la evolución del proyecto, el cual se encuentra ubicado, bueno, en Buenos Aires, en Argentina. Es donde se está desarrollando esta idea. Entonces, bueno, eso también se toma en consideración, donde tenemos un proyecto que está focalizado en la conexión con la naturaleza a través de la impresión 3D, eh, y utilizar la arquitectura como un medio para un objetivo mayor, digamos. Así que bueno, eso es un poco de lo que estuve trabajando. Estas son algunas referencias de la importancia de la naturaleza en todo aspecto de nuestras vidas, en nuestras casas, en nuestras ciudades, en nuestra alimentación, y de qué forma también otras personas lo estuvieron incorporando, en la utilización de la naturaleza o la incorporación, o crear un medio para el crecimiento de la naturaleza. También de qué manera reutilizar eh, cuestiones de desechos y reutilización de alimentos o sí, elementos naturales, para otro objetivo, digamos. Así que bueno, estos son algunos de los conceptos que estuvimos viendo, trabajando también en las cuestiones de materiales, de los biomateriales, por ejemplo, donde estuve investigando un poco de los procesos y los biomateriales en sí y los resultados a los cuales los podemos llegar. Estas son algunas de las imágenes que trabaja esta artista Laura Messing, donde, bueno, depende qué material utilice y qué procesos le realice, los resultados son totalmente diferentes, digamos. Así que bueno, un poco también me interesó la idea que vemos en este diagrama de incorporar la naturaleza para no humanos, digamos, non-humans, y trabajar con pollinators, por ejemplo, bees, las abejas. Uh, I've been working on the search of the beehives, and how we have like different designs where bees start being introduced to our lives, more like with a more shorter contact, I think. Uh, yeah, more direct. That was the word. More direct contact with the bees, and I thought this was a great example how they use this natural. This is cork that is bound together, and they use a natural resin, and they produced this beehive, and it's great, the like the camouflage with the nature, and it's in a great example. And this is also another reference where bees maybe are trying to be introduced to maybe to cities where they produce this elevator bee, maybe like using the language of a metallic tower, to be more like, I don't know, to 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 put it in the cities as a representation of this like buildings and metallic world we live in. And this is a beehive, also, where you can see throughout translucent spots, you can see the bees that they are here. and these bees actually have been put in. It's not that the bees came to this beehive. They put the people that produce this product. They put the bees and see what happens. If they like, they stay, they go out. So yeah, that's great. And this is also maybe more I don't know, home style references, where this product is created by Philips to have this beehive at home, to produce our own honey at home. So yeah, these are more like domestic products. This also, this 2B product, you have this table, and so yeah. And these are the green and blue bricks. These are like really showing us how we like really representing how through architecture we can create a great environment for bees to grow and continue like having their lives. So it seemed correct to start analyzing as the product is being thought here in Argentina, to start seeing which kind of bees we have here. So these are photos taken by me. This is in my house garden. These are the bees that I have in my garden. So I don't know, it seemed kind of right to start doing that, like seeing how they move, where do they go, the flowers. So I have a video I also am going to show also that I did. I would like to share the sound. Sorry, there I go. So yeah, that's also a video I recorded. So that's like a starting point to see how, I don't know, where they are, the sound, the flowers they're in. So yeah, and I've been like it seemed I don't know why this is not here, but well, just make a diagram for us to like start organizing some ideas, where the starting point is architecture for non-humans and pollinators and bees as the main characters. There is a problem, colony collapse disorder, thanks to chemical fertilizers and agropecuary exploitation. This is a really big problem we are having nowadays, and bees are this is a really big problem, that bees are getting away from the farms because of these chemical fertilizers and this exploitation of the land, where we can see a revival of urban beekeeping, thanks to the urban gardens and the home compositing. This is something that attracts the bees into cities, where in like cities are really big. I mean, depending on the cities, but we can have in cities, we can have a lot of different types of flowers and plants and like and bees on cities. They are being like really potentiated, I think. So it's great to take advantage of that, and it seemed great to maybe yeah, like the objective of ArchNat, or this project of ArchNat, is maybe introducing this safe place, maybe a kind of beehive for bees to grow and to live to a 3D printed beehive, where maybe nature could grow. Then we will see some sketches that could represent the idea. So here, I don't know where it disappeared, but here we have like the two kinds of maybe brands of bees, where we have the honey bees and the pollinating bees. The pollinating bees have the possibility of flowering plants, and their genetic inheritance is transported and proliferated in another parts of the city. So that's why the pollinating bees are like in cities, they are being like really stimulated because of all this kind of variety of flowers. So here in Argentina, we have this, maybe I will need to continue like studying the types of bees, but these are the main kind that we can find here. It would seem correct to maybe start like this is maybe a more like a zoom out of the types of bees, maybe like really starting to see more in detail which kind of bees we can find in Argentina, and maybe here where I live, that is in Buenos Aires. So these are the 5 types that I found made throughout research. The Colitide, the Andrenidae, Alictidae, Megachilidae, y Apiae. So these are the kinds of bees we have here, and I will go through the process of sketches and how the idea start to evolve. And as we see, like nature has been present all over the idea, and we can see how this sketch also could work maybe throughout this sketch, like so it seems correct to leave them here. So yeah, this sketch where we could represent some of the main ideas, and this is how maybe the product could be working now, like this beehive next to like a public space, or maybe like here in my garden next to nature, where bees could like be attracted to. And this is like this organic shape that we could work out through like a ceramic 3D printing object, where the inside is this. These are like a section cut, like horizontal section cut. With this would be the panales, like where the honey is, and this is like the external part of this would be the 3D printed cladding material. And the idea is that nature could grow, as we could see in a reference, where nature starts to grow through this material. So yeah, another thing to start working on is also the material that we are going to introduce in this 3D printed object, because it's kind of well, it's really important, and should have like this kind of I don't know, characteristics for nature to grow also here. So yeah, this is our our work here, and next time we will see much more work. So thank you very much, and we'll see you next time.